Hi, welcome to Module 1 of this Intermediate Spirituality course, and we're going to be expanding consciousness and strengthening intuition today. As you can see on my lap, I have my little special helper with me, and her name is Roxy. She's about 4 years old at this stage. She's a little Maltese, and she loves meditating. She loves the spiritual work, and when I'm working with people one-on-one, even via Zoom, she loves to be close by and lapping up the energy. But anyway, let's move on. So at the beginner level, we learn to trust our gut feelings and to recognize synchronicities and to listen to subtle nudges. Now we're going to go deeper. So welcome, wonderful, beautiful soul, to another powerful step in your spiritual evolution. Today we're diving into something truly profound, and that is the 4 states of consciousness, and how you and we can access them intentionally to deepen your spiritual practice. Now, most people live in just one state, and that's beta, the everyday thinking mind. But as spiritual beings, we have the ability to shift into higher states of awareness, unlocking intuition, healing, and even universal oneness. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand these states, but you'll also learn how to move between them at will, empowering you to access deeper intuition, creativity, and divine connections. So if you're ready to explore the layers of your mind and soul, then let's begin. So we have the 4 states of consciousness. And consciousness operates in different frequencies, just like a radio tuning into various stations. Each state has a unique vibration that influences our thoughts, our emotions, and spiritual abilities. So let's break them down. Beta state, the everyday thinking mind. Visualize yourself like in a busy city and people moving fast all around you, a mind filled with thoughts and to-do lists. So right now, as you're listening to me, you're in beta state, the logical, the problem-solving mode of the brain. This is where most people spend their entire day, analyzing, worrying, planning, overthinking. Beta is important for everyday tasks, but if we stay here too long, it can lead to mental exhaustion, to stress and anxiety, disconnection from intuition, all the things that many of us have been living with for such a long time, and we think that that's normal, but it's not. This is why spiritual practices like meditation, breath work, and mindfulness help shift us out of beta so we can access deeper awareness. Now, how to shift from beta. Slow your breathing down and do deep breathing. Do the 4-7-8 breath like we talked about in the last video, where you inhale for 4 counts, seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. The 4-7-8, inhale for 4, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. Have mindful awareness. Pause and focus on the present moment. What are you looking at? What are you feeling? What can you smell? What can you hear? Limit overstimulation, reducing the phone and the screens, and embrace stillness. The goal is not to eliminate beta, it's to learn when to step out of it and access higher states. The second one, alpha state. flow and creativity, intuition, and with the intuition awakening, like on a peaceful beach somewhere, and maybe someone painting or a writer lost in creative flow. So as soon as you relax, whether through deep breathing, meditation, or even a nature walk, you shift into the alpha state. Alpha is the gateway to the subconscious mind. It's where creativity flows effortlessly. Ideas and intuition start to awaken, and we feel deeply present and connected. You ever had that aha moment in the shower or while daydreaming? That's alpha. Now, to enter the alpha state, close your eyes and take slow, rhythmic breaths. And do those long tail breaths like we talked about last time, where you breathe in and then go a little bit more. And when you breathe out, and a little bit more. What I call those long tail breaths. And another one. Good. Engage in creative expression is another way, by journaling, by drawing and playing music. And use guided meditations. They naturally slow your brain waves. Because your intuition speaks loudest in alpha. The more time you spend here, the more you develop your inner guidance. Third one is theta state, is deep intuition, healing and subconscious reprogramming. Theta is where profound transformation happens. The state is deep meditation, hypnosis, and lucid dreaming, where your mind is between waking and sleeping. Now, what happens in theta? You connect with your subconscious mind, where old beliefs and traumas are stored. You receive spiritual downloads and divine guidance. Your body enters into deep healing mode, reducing stress and balancing the energies. Theta is also the state where people experience past life memories, getting messages from spirit guides and profound inner peace and clarity. Now, how to enter the theta state? Through guided meditations with binaural beats, specifically around 4 to 7 hertz frequencies. Through deep breath work. Try the box breathing like we did in the beginner introductory class, the 4-4-4, the box breath. So you breathe in for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. And then do that again. And then when you are comfortable with 4s, go to 5, 6, 7s or more, wherever you're comfortable. Another way, through hypnotherapy and subconscious affirmations. It's like reprogramming beliefs while falling asleep or falling into that relaxed state, like somebody else. Theta is the key to unlocking deep spiritual wisdom. You can train yourself, and it's such a wonderful feeling to stay here longer. The fourth one is the delta state, for the universal oneness and astral connection. Delta is the deepest state of consciousness, the state of pure being. It occurs in deep sleep, in astral travel and out-of-body experiences, and profound spiritual connections, like being one with the universe, or oneness with the universe. In Delta, the ego dissolves and you experience oneness with all that is. Some people naturally enter Delta during shamanic journeys or near-death experiences and deep states of divine connection. Now, how do you access Delta without sleeping? Well, surrender fully to meditation. Let go of thoughts and drop into stillness. And as we talked about with the meditation, yes, start with 5 breaths. Work to 7. Start with 3 minutes. Go to 5. Every time your mind wanders off, it's okay. Bring yourself back to your breathing. Feel the breath moving in and out of your nostrils or your tummy expanding and contracting. Beautiful state. And the sleep state programming, listening to deep delta wave frequencies before bed. And of course, advanced breath work and fasting. Techniques like holotropic breathing can induce Delta-like states. Delta is the closest we get to source energy while still in the physical body. Mastering the state leads to profound spiritual awakening. And that's why you're here. Profound spiritual awakening. Now, practice moving through the 4 states. Let's do a short guided practice to help you feel the shift between states. Step 1. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. Feel your body relaxing. Now I'd like you to visualize a golden light flowing through you. Let your thoughts fade. This light can be coming down from the top of your head and down through your body. Breathe deeply. It's the 3rd step from theta to delta. Imagine merging with the universe, floating in infinite space. No thoughts, just pure awareness and peace. Feel the shift. Feel that through the body. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back. Practice that longer and longer. The more you practice, the deeper, the better it becomes. Such a beautiful feeling. So, congratulations. You've just explored the 4 states of consciousness. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to access these states at will, helping you deepen your intuition, to heal and expand spiritually. Your challenge this week: spend 5 minutes daily shifting into alpha or theta. Notice how your intuition and your awareness grows. Become aware of them and say thank you. And when you notice them and you start to take heed of these messages, more come to you. Know that your soul is limitless. So keep practicing and expanding. So for the practice, enter the theta state for higher consciousness. Close your eyes, breathe deeply. Visualize that golden light flowing from above, expanding your awareness. Ask your higher self, what message do you have for me? What message do you have for me? And trust the images, feelings, or words that arise. Your higher self and guides are always speaking to you. The key is learning how to listen. To listen and take heed of some of these messages. Thank you for being here. And remember, you have the power to shift your consciousness anytime. You have the power to shift your consciousness anytime. Aho. Bye for now from me and from Roxy. And we'll see you in the next module. Bye for now.